this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and in this video I'll do quick unboxing and share hands-on review of Vivo Y51L smartphone. So without much ado, let's get started. This phone is priced at around Rs 11,900 and we have got the white variant of the phone with us. Now let me cut through the seal and show you the contents in the box. First thing in the box is the Vivo Y51L smartphone itself. We'll talk about the phone later. Let's check out the other contents which you get in the box. It comes with earphones with a mic and a button to accept and reject calls. Here is a USB data cable, a charging adapter with ratings of 5 volts and 1 ampere. You also get a warranty card and user guide in the box. I'll talk about the design and build quality of this phone first. It is a well-built phone with impressive looks. It has this golden frame along the sides and comes with plastic back panel. The rear panel is removable and doesn't look like plastic. It gives more of glass design look. On removing the rear panel, you will get access to 2 SIM card slots and a micro SD card slot. The battery of this phone is non-removable. This phone weighs 157 grams and doesn't feel very heavy while holding in hand. Overall build quality of the phone is nice and it looks very stylish and classy. On the front, there is a 5-inch Quad HD display. Above the display, there is a front camera along with earpiece, few sensors and Vivo branding. Below the display, there are 3 touch capacitive buttons which are not backlit. On the top edge, there is a 3.5mm audio jack. On the bottom edge, there is microphone along with USB charging port and speaker grills. The left edge of the phone is clean, and on the right edge, you get a volume rocker and power button. On the rear of the phone, there is an 8 megapixel primary camera along with LED flash and Vivo branding. Now let's talk about the display of this phone. It comes with a 5-inch Quad HD display with 960 by 540 pixels resolution. The display is very sharp and bright with good viewing angles. The touch experience on the screen is very smooth. The video viewing experience is also good. Here is a quick video sample. Moving on to the performance department, this phone is powered by a 1.2 GHz quad-core Snapdragon 410 processor paired with 2 GB of RAM. It comes with 16 GB of internal memory which is expandable up to 128 GB via micro SD card. We tested this phone on Antutu benchmarks and it scored around 24,000 points. This phone handles multitasking with ease and we did not face any noticeable issues while playing games on this phone. On software front, it runs Android Lollipop wrapped under FunTouch OS. The software is smooth and responsive and comes with several customization options like mix match option in iTheme, dynamic sliding and hide icons option. The phone also supports USB OTG. Coming to the camera department, this phone comes with an 8 megapixel rear camera with LED flash and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. It comes with a lot of filters and also allows users to add watermark. The cameras of this phone are just average and not the best that you can get in this price range. The images taken with this phone have detailing but they do show some graininess. This phone is fueled by a 2350 mAh battery which is non-removable. The battery should be good enough to survive for up to 1 day on moderate usage. This dual SIM phone comes with support for 4G LTE also. So, if you're looking for a stylish phone with decent performance, bright display and 4G support, then this phone is worth a buy. If you want to buy this phone, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please leave a thumbs up by pressing the like button. For more such videos from Intellect Digest, make sure you hit the red subscribe button. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.